you doing? We got a 2017 Ford F-250. This will work for the 350, 450, 550. Anywhere from any of these Ford trucks. This one happens to be a 2017. Give us a call at 305-298-4814 if you're interested in this starter kill switch. Basically, it's anybody will be able to do it from us giving you the installation video. I promise you, no tools required. Pretty much it's a plug and play. The way it works is you have a little tiny little remote control in your keychain. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start the vehicle. You're gonna see that it won't start. Okay, see, it doesn't engage the starter. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and press the little button that I was telling you at the top. Now the truck will start right up. Okay. This is a starter kill switch plug and play kit that we sell here in Miami. We do ship it out for anybody who's interested out of state. You give us a call at 305-298-4814 and I promise you, you'll be able to install it. It's a plug and play. We'll have the installation video for you. This has nothing to do with disconnecting the whole power of the batteries, like those kits that they sell online that you can disconnect the whole power of the battery. I don't even recommend that at all. For one, you lose all your presets. For two, it's not good to rush power back to the BCM every time you're gonna get ready to go somewhere. It's just not the proper way of doing things. Those kits that you disconnect the power of the battery, that's normally for collectible cars that you never drive, maybe once or twice a month. You don't want to have a dead battery by the time you go out on them. But not a daily user. You're not going to sit there and disconnect the power out of the whole power on the battery on the positive side of the terminal on the vehicle, which you can spike the computer every time the power rushes back. It's even a risk to change a battery in a car because of all these computer systems. You normally have to hook up ground first and then the power, and you know, one steady in the terminal, not wiggling your hand that you're spiking the current on the vehicle. So yeah, this has nothing to do with that. This is completely plug and play. Anybody who's interested, give us a call at 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video. This is Auto Alarm Specialist here in Miami, Florida.